Alright, what's going on YouTube? We're taking advantage of the beautiful weather right now and the beautiful sunset here in Colorado. But today, man, I've got an Inzer belt review for you guys. This belt is fantastic, but there are some things that I want to share with you guys. So when you first get it, actually before I even get into the comfort and whatnot, the sizing, you guys are probably in the process of ordering it. So when you want to check your sizing, it's kind of confusing because their ranges are pretty big, so you don't know if you're either going to get the medium or large, and that's what I was kind of confused with. So I went with the large, and my waist is about, I wear a size 32 pants, 33, 32, but my waist is a bit smaller. So I got a large and it fits pretty good, but as you guys can see, I only have 3 more holes to make it smaller. So if I could go back in time and reorder it, I would probably get the medium. Now the second thing, this is kind of how it works. When you first get it, they give you this little piece right here, the 2 screws, and then the lever itself. So when you first get it, it's all separate, and you want to kind of measure your waist on where you want to kind of have it, then kind of estimate, guess where you want to put these. So I'll do an in-depth at the end of this video on how to assemble the belt, but pretty much it's easy assembly and it's very nice because you could just pretty much put it on, and if you don't want to use it, you can have it on your waist the whole time in the gym. Now in terms of comfort, this thing is super solid when you first get it out of the box. So make sure you roll it around. At the end of this video, I'll also put pretty much how to break it in, a good way to break it in. But do not return it. Just stay consistent with it. Keep deadlifting with it, squatting. Even on arm day, even on shoulders, whatever it is, just keep wearing it and it'll break in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to show you guys how to break it in and how to assemble. Alright, so when you first get this belt, it's going to come in a box and it's going to be rolled up like this, maybe even tighter than this. It's also going to come with this metal piece right here. It's going to come with 2 screws, and then it's going to come with the lever itself. So before you assemble it, you want to make sure to break it in because it's very stiff when you first get it, and it's very irritating to work out in this belt. Even squat and deadlift is just super painful. I remember I had, pretty much bruises on my ribs and my hips were just hurting a lot. So I would definitely recommend rolling it out or breaking it in. So I'm going to try and show you guys real quick the best way that I could recommend to break it in. So let me back up a little bit. When you first get the belt, it's going to be very stiff. It's not really going to have a lot of motion. So what you want to do is you want to roll it like this and keep it nice and tight. And you want to roll it pretty much the whole way up the belt until it's like this, right? So then once you get it this way, you want to make sure to roll it the other way. So you flip it over and you do the same exact thing. And this is just going to help the belt to get a little bit more flexible, a little bit more fluid and whatnot, because you want the belt to take shape of your waist, your specific waist in general. So doing this is really going to help it, form to your waist. Now the second thing, to really get the middle part of the belt, you want to do the same thing. Keep it nice and tight. Apply that pressure throughout the whole belt. So instead of rolling it, I'm literally just applying that pressure. I'll get it from the side. I'm just applying that pressure just like that throughout the whole belt. And then I'll do it the other way. And then I'll just keep on doing that for a very long time. When you first get it, I would recommend you to at least do it for 20 to 30 times, just to really get the belt as flexible as you can. It's gonna take shape, and it's gonna start taking shape of your waist, and that's when you know it's gonna start feeling a lot better. So just stay consistent with it and really try to break it in as much as you can. Alright, so this assembly is very easy. You get a flathead screwdriver, then you grab your metal piece, you grab your 2 screws right over here, then you insert the screws on this side. I actually like to work with only 1 screw at a time, but pretty much you put it in through the hole, Then you're gonna attach the screws onto this hole from the outside like this. So the screw is coming out from here, and this hole is going to be screwed onto there. So let me fast forward a little bit. Perfect. So when you get the first screw in, you don't want to screw it in all the way tight. You want to make sure you're able to adjust the metal piece still. Then you get your second screw, you put it in the second hole, and then you just screw that one in as well.
Should be nice and easy.
And then you're going to tighten the other hole that you left a little bit loose. And now you want to make sure it's as tight as possible to where the lever cannot move when you're lifting. And that seems to be pretty tight. So that's pretty much it right there. The two screws are fully attached right here. And the lever is now fully attached as well. So I'm going to put it on and show you guys how it looks on myself. Alright, so here it is. I like to have the lever on the left. Then you just attach it into the 4 holes right there. Then when you're not doing your set, you could just have it relaxed like this. It's nice and comfortable. Then when you're about to do your set, you breathe in a little bit. You tie it, and it's good to go. Here it is from the side, from the back, and the other side. It's very comfortable once you break it in, but it still actually hurts for me to wear it, and I've had it for a couple weeks. So it is going to hurt for the first couple weeks, if not months, but it does get more comfortable as you break it in more and more. Now, in terms of the tightness, it really depends on how tight you like it. Pretty much I can't, if I don't breathe in, I can't really fit my finger in through there. And I like it to be very tight. It just feels very secure. Whew, and it just really pretty much protects my core. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't want to make it too long. I hope you guys found it helpful. Please leave a like if you did, and subscribe for more videos, and check them out. Thank you guys for watching.